Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on the Bybit application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bybit application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you might be asked to log in using your credentials. Go ahead and use your email address and your password to log into your account, and you will be taken into your home page. Now from this page, tap on the account icon at the top left corner and you will be taken into your account menu. Now from this page, in order to change your password, tap on the security option, and then from the security page you will find the option to change your password. Go ahead and tap on this, and now you will be asked to enter your old password followed by your new password to confirm it. So tap in your old password in the box above, followed by your desired new password within the password box underneath. After entering both your old and your desired new password, you can tap on the confirm button, and this will proceed with changing your password within the Bybit application. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, then you will also need to provide your verification through your biometric, your PIN, or the Google 2FA application. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on the Bybit application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.